lecture has quotation 420.
420 you apply for 30.
Still we have 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we can
This understanding unuseful. We can come to China.
So emerging issues after 100 years and 150 years. Now technically that we call it uncertainty. Because it is very difficult and you consider 100 years, 150 years. That is not a true uncertainty. Terminology we call it Knightian uncertainty. Right? The forecasting is difficult, but some modeling, some mathematical, we can make an attempt. But some general ideas that yes, how the world is moving and the pace of technology will continue, assuming other factors constant, how Indian educational institutes would look like. The first challenge that is going to be development versus sustainable development. Now, there would be debate what country wants milk powder or gunpowder, and what is the importance of natural resources, because many countries in the world they have natural resources but they are not able to take advantage of it. Now you will be surprised to know the country which has highest gold mines is the poorest country in the world, one of the poorest countries in the world, right? Democratic Republic of Congo. So, what kind of development we want? We want simple development, numeric development, GDP, or we want sustainable development? Because GDP is a problem. So, GDP reflects what? Continuation to your point, a loose idea and the popular idea of development is GDP, gross domestic product. But GDP includes what?
Industry,
total output,
Agriculture,
services also.
services also. Let me give you an example. There is a tree. Tree is counted in GDP or not? Tree.
No, that's right.
Beard counted in GDP or not?
No, forest are
That should be counted.
Acha, once tree is converted into furniture, yes, sold to IIM, counted in GDP or not?
Yes.
Counted in GDP. So you have a better GDP, but you have social challenge, environmental challenge, resources. It doesn't include your green resources. GDP does not make a differentiation between milk powder or gunpowder. Denmark, peaceful country, right? GDP may be milk, another leading milk producing country. GDP may not be higher, right? But some country which has huge terrorist funding, printing money, GDP may be higher. So the time has come and many countries started working on it to focus on sustainable development. Happiness index. Finland, Norway, Bhutan is a small country. Bhutan is a small country. Okay. Bhutan, we can argue Bhutan is Finland. 1960 there was a time Finland was agrarian economy. Now Finland is considered one of the most competitive economy in the world. Right? And Norway is not a country, peaceful country and least corrupt country in the world. Right? Least masculine also. So the debate is going on sustainable development versus development. When we focus on sustainable development, priorities are different. Priorities are different means whatever the decision, whatever the action of government that is to be directed towards well-being of society or a futuristic point of view. Right? Hydropower, no hydropower. Right? And natural resources, limited use of natural resources. Okay. Electric car, there's a new idea of electric car is popular. But what do you think? Electric car or battery charge, again you need a power. You power there, hydropower. So the time is coming that many countries now very serious and they are thinking to move towards sustainable development. But that is rich country. Poor country, emerging countries need also to think about sustainable development. Otherwise, that numeric development or numeric parameters will not be human development index. right? Human development, some countries, in India, the human development is considered average. Human development now is measured on under three categories: life expectancy, per capita income, and literacy. Okay. So, what may be the condition if the government focus of government on three areas, then more focus of government would be on healthcare services. That area is going to be popular and with great attention of government, healthcare. And in healthcare, information technology, electronics, management,
biomedical engineering,
biomedical, all these disciplines to have a scope of convergence. Okay. Healthcare is also connected with pharmaceutical. You may be surprised to know in Africa, the HIV prevalence rate is 25%. 25%. Prevalence in the sense means out of 4, 1 is suffering with HIV. And HIV, the drugs, few multinational companies do have under WTO. Now there is a compulsory licensing mechanism. Now this is the area where generic drug industry may play an important role. Indian industry is very competitive, Indian pharmaceutical industry. Now 70% Indian market is controlled by domestic companies. There was a time when India got independence, 70% Indian market was controlled by multinational companies. Indian generic industry is also a very important player worldwide. Africa has great hope with India. Right? Russia.
India exports
Exports.
drugs to
generic.
200 countries.
You will be because we have an advantage of cost, right? Cost competitive. Generic drug is cheaper than branded drugs, and it is estimated around 40-50% cheaper. That is one area. Now, artificial intelligence may also come into picture. Healthcare services. So that is one. Second is literacy. Right? If the focus of government is on human development, healthcare, life expectancy, and literacy.
There is another parameter. How you define the literacy?
Literacy,
So in different countries,
they different perspectives, different parameters. Different parameters of literacy they have.
Here we like we sign. We are literate.
So that's why India's human development, this position is poorer than Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's position is the 19th. India 124th in human development. So that is one change. That focus would shift from numeric development to human development or sustainable development. And one change that is going to take place in the service sector dominance. In system we have agriculture, manufacturing and services. Service sector, the dominance will take place. Why? Because services are more productive than agriculture and manufacturing. Right? And agriculture is less productive. Manufacturing is more productive than agriculture.
How can you say agriculture is
Yes,
less
yes. I am coming to this point.
We are feeding the increasing population. Yes.
Certainly we are doing it, but agriculture, if you compare with services, less productive. Less productive in the sense, services does not require sunk cost, fixed cost. Agriculture is subject of several contingencies. Manufacturing requires fixed cost. So this is a paradox. That's why rich countries, European countries, marginal cost of land is very high. Why marginal cost of land is high? Because they have a limited land. And if they have a limited land and industrialization is there, no one would like to do farming, but farming is not attractive. As a result, European countries spend huge money on subsidies. Right? If the choice is given,
How to increase the population?
so that's a challenge. There is food insecurity.
But in the long run, do you think in the long run, agriculture sector, just to boost up so that it should be going
It
good?
is to be
So
supported.
already service sector is down now. I think
No, services
say
sector.
that without any investment, service sector is growing, but if you think over the years, missionary, so which will be the most promising?
Services sector is declining because region AP have supply, more supply. But productivity wise, suppose in a highway there is a land, agricultural land. Now assuming other factors constant, what do you prefer? Do you prefer farming on highway? Or do you prefer restaurant or hotel? Farm.
Since you are a farmer,
Plotting.
we are paying.
Plotting, yes, plotting. And plotting is not manufacturing, plotting is not agriculture, plotting is service sector.
How can you feed this increasing population?
So-
Land is sinking, widening the roads.
That's the risk. That's one a major risk of urbanization.
That is not sustainable development.
That is not sustainable development. So India, there was a time India we was net exporter. Now slowly we are moving towards net importing country. We are going to be net exporter. So net exporter, because country needs food security. Food security is challenge. Alternate of this is genetic modified seed.
Yeah, that is what I was trying to tell you. Actually, we can, biotechnology and it is in forefront in
Yes.
research is nowadays. So, we have to actually look at how we can increase the resource. Less land, more productivity.
Less land, more productivity, but genetic modified seeds, you are expert of this area, I am not.
Nowadays, we have small trees and they have lot of production of apples and everything. New varieties have emerged from different countries they are exporting.
I think
Just like we call it Bulgarian apple or small trees, at least they have lot of production.
But they are not getting money.
Even
But
the
counter-argument
They are not
is also,
genetically modified. They are not
the
genetically
grafting that
That's a grafting.
even it can increase the food size also. GM is not allowed.
even in US, GM is not fully allowed. So one idea is that if you have a small land holding, then you need more productivity of the land holding will be combined. Land holding combination is possible when FDI is allowed, government will permit, so that is not allowed in India.
ऐसे हार्वेस्ट हुआ है, एक ही बार रोटेशन उससे क्या हो रहा है, एक ही लैंड में आप 3 बार प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ा रहे हैं।
But not
उससे ज्यादा हम पढ़ा रहे हैं बच्चे इस तेजी से
लेकिन इससे
I think Israel is doing
Israel, because Israel's land, they have a very limited size of land, right? They don't have a huge land and they need to do everything in limited resources. So we can take break.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Professor Srivastava. And we have tea and then we reassemble again. And for anyone, after the end of the second session, you would like to have okay. Just before I want to assure you that as far as travel insurance is there, it covers the whole period of your travel days, isn't it? Whether it is 8 days or 10 days or 15 days, what is 10 days or 15 days, that covers, and naturally it covers health and luggage.